Welcome back to my channel. And now I need download a driver in my class. This here for Surya, and you type here the driver download, and this here for I am need download and install for the driver, and this here for the driver Canon uh support, and this here for click here. That's why this here for the driver official website. I am like the driver official website, the official website. This driver easy to download. And this here for the system operation. You click here. This here for system operation for the Windows and Mac, and this here for the system operation for Linux. Okay, this here for support Linux, Mac, and this here for the Windows. And I am testing for the Windows 11, and this here for no support for the Windows 11, and this here for Windows 10 sir, and this here for Windows 10 print patch for network scan, and this here for the driver, and I am recommendation for you download for this here for the driver. This here for driver support your scan and the printer. Okay, this information disclaimer, and if you need download you click here for the driver download, and this here for the driver download. If you need to install the for the new printer, you turn on the power printer, you can PC laptop on PC printer, and this here for the the pack automatic, and for the easy install. If you need a question, this here for the print, you comment below. If you need link download, you search for by Google, or you are looking for description my video, and this here for easy install for the printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel.